China tothi. You see, there's a time. These Gen Z's and the Alphas and the... I don't know the other generation of Alpha I call what. But the biggest fantasy we had was China tothi. So that was out of the world.
So that it was not your day to day.
Yes. Delicacy. Beef range. You see, tothi were one of those few memorable times. Ogiathufirie China kindu gitaumite mugunda direct. And you know, ideally, doma, they corona taste. It's only nutritious.
They are taste. It's the nutrition part.
No, doma ne kahai. He kwane kiole.
Near tasteless.
Yes. Gekwa and water is same category of taste.
And soil.
Yes. But again, at the soil. But never mind the health benefits. Outweigh
the taste.
Yes. Ni wakora chai matuko maitore. Ni maita maige muno. Ari atukurite twi the millennials in the 90s. Chai wa guthago we mukafu. Rucio niguo wari kau niko kare kawaida. Tondu na to thigo cemania nayo ri. Ni munyakahia there. And you know mostly ri to thidi akoragwo eri sauce yumanite na mucie ni amuki. You know, bread was so glorified. People would even ne parenting na mugate okaigwa te ne fafa wa mugate.
No, tothi was glorified.
No, it was glorified.
Na tothiana tumanginya andu magie meciria ma kuia.
Yes. Waigua mutumia wahikiria na ciana muthuri ucio wa muhikia ri agiciukorwo oko mauga atiriri ucio tithe muciaine baba wa mugate ati ehakanirira kuri ciana na ki.
He bought his way into their heart.
Yes.
Akiuthira migate.
He bought parentage with the loaf.
Mamu accept.
Yes. Koguo mugate ndwari small affair. Ni hari na category of father.
Ona ni maineirwo.
Yes.
Wa mugate.
Na ndio mwatania kagiro tono igwa ne professor. Yes. Leo cai wakoraga ukiguko masoni manyu mama chani ri. Machani was not a challenge.
Acha machani matiana ko me challenge tumete kuria kukuragio machani.
Because again matiga mama chani they meal. Ni maruga machani.
Ni mathe machani ri.
Yes.
Gukire maria makendagirio arimi.
The locals.
At subsidized cost.
Yes. Like there's one very popular one. It's called what that factory.
Yako.
There's one very popular one. Machani mo ne mare gumo muno. It's called what the
Gere Kanako.
Gere, yes. Gere Tea Factory. Aguzio na marketing ya ona ero iguru. Yes.
Acio ne gweci ne mathiete o makinya meri.
Tondu gwitoka office onsire. Ni twatu akahua ne mundu acama kahua munene muno. Kwaja gaka refined.
Ine kuri andu aingi muno moimite gwa kahua.
Yes.
Matana uma manyuite kahua mari anini.
Ona tutiamenya kahua geka gwatia.
Na gacamaga atia.
Twamenya atu no guthomithagia ke.
Gathomithagia mundu.
Na agatuma baba anyuore. Hare ho.
Na mukimenya thirikari ya nyao yari njuru muno.
Ona ugituika ndege no ethia na president yagorio na mbeca cia kahua.
Nyayo ni amenirwo muno.
Because we used to do Arabica coffee. Some of the best in the world. Kahua aria mekinyanagiria ri. Heke ogeta kahua number 1.
Was not very good quality.
No. Thufuria ye nuthu mai nuthu wako kahua kau.
amwe itu kindu gitao instant coffee na instant tea ere ra dissolve ni wa mai acio na amwe itu no tukijite tuti twanywa instant tea that one is even rarer than instant coffee.
Yes instant tea
ere yako dissolve that yagesuki we have not
sio wengi wamepatana naye
amwona wakoraga riri especially zone cia gutu cia coffee tondu macani namo ni manyua goro gokira kahua tondu kahua gatiare koneki it was expensive it still is awati kage raithi yes riu wakoraga oko ni murarehirwo gasukari ni tata wanyua karoreni ri kana mama wanyua ruairi ni mwaikara ogwo mukanywa mutire macani mukoya sukari giciko kimwe mugekira thufuria theri mwakia mwaki sukari ucio kaya ha wajeria gucurari wagia ka pigmentation ka brown ri mwekira mai na iria rio watweka cai
utari macani riu kana kahua
mutire macani kana kahua
no ni ukugia rangi hana ta wina macani.
You don't need do that when the sugar was surplus so sukari na gwetware muoneki
sukari ndwari muoneki
actually na siringi kana magana mere kwende metagwo sukari was currency. Are we together? Sukari is even today. Sukari ni currency. It's a form. It is legal tender. You can onogethikeria wa macharia uyu wa TikTok ri. Yes. Aya omeria kagua nigunywa sukari.
Muno Kiameri.
Yes.
Kiameri na sukari ri.
Yes.
They mean the same.
Rĩu ithuĩ tũrĩa nini jeti ri. Jeti ndiateguragwo. Ebepte.
Yes.
Waigua
yale na sukari kilo.
Waigua tata. Ndwikega sukari kanini. Sukari was legal currency. Nigunywaga sukari
kahotora na rithu
sukari riu ni meri tha ici ndiguo mana meri riu ni maretwo sukari rugongo ni waheo sukari ona makiara tu ni mauga ikarite oro haha uranyona tutiramenya mbere kana thuthi tuikarite oro guo ri uria ngwira ori ndatu gukua ri uyu okay terere jikarite guo ri uyu muthoni wa nyina wa mutungu
aranyumwo na thome
akunyumwo na thome ri ari he mundu no mwana ucio ndaraiha na ingiha na irobi ni araria wega mwana ucio ri uguo matheka ku radio-ini ri undu ucio ri utuma anore
arakingoroha
na ndemenya mwana ucio ni ari ngatho tondu riri no igua akiuma aguo ni ngari gwakwa ni kuo mbere niguo akinye kwao na mauthie kwa wacoke arambire gutithia
aracuka haha
arakinjia ni ugithie o kwi nyina ai arakindigira gacukari the whole village knows what that means.
And it is acceptable.
Yes. You probably not be in your proper rational faculties. I called ramen yakuragwe tuo bia.
Kano kiri mugeni muno.
Mugeni sana. Akindigiro gacukari o kanini. Na gatiari gacukari kanini tondu ndieka no na gaturume ke hau. Gugurona gacukari kariku.
Mwana ucio akiri mwega.
Mwana ucio na gutongania tongeire Nairobi. Riu nie gacukari karia ndiratigirie ri niko ndiracokire ndirathie muhiriga twi thutha Nuigwa all along that aragweta ke
mbeca.
Yes. He's referring to money as
sugar.
Yes. Riu nu akio riu ciana cigiturehagira sukari uguo tutingitunihia njui
na mwana ucio ndamuteithio ha magika form 4
tuokire aha kiriraga maitho ngimuria mwari wa nie niki akinjira maretio aga kirifo ndianga ndu ino igagiriro maratathi ngimuria rau matia akinjira njega ni ya 70 ngimune okay
ngimunio igana na akimwira icio ingi akigure na ari karamu
na ngetigia kingoria arie jojo mwana ũcio ndĩragĩkwĩra atĩrĩrĩ
githĩ nĩ akanyuma na thome
tondũ nĩ ndĩraigua atĩrĩrĩ nĩ njiguĩte na mĩhuhu kũrĩa kũgũragwo ngari nĩ yandĩkithĩtie mwana ũcio ndarĩ hĩndĩ ĩrĩa tũkahaka kũndigĩra kĩ
Sukari.
Actually, when people want to say you are a miser and you are mean, ewe gudi ke,
gudi nobo,
we mukari ugatoga, oigua mwana ũcio onaga sukari,
miser.
Onaga sukari yo. No nĩ gune kaka ona nyina ndamũtigagira onaga
sukari. Rĩu wewe ukitubaya.
Wewe ni you are of zero impact to society. Ona nĩ ũtangĩũkire.
Onaga sukari.
No. Sukari is currency.
And still coded language.
Yes.
Yako gũtengũra mbia.
Yes. Ndũngĩcitengũra. Mũirĩtu nĩ twakĩendia na twaneo o gacukari kanini. Rĩu Tomasuka nĩ mũgũthi mũkĩ wa bethi nĩ ũkũne atumia o mũndũ gacukari karĩa twaunana.
Akĩigua cukari rũgongo rĩ. It's not always sugar.
No, it's not.
Thaa 10:52.
Now you know. Nĩ tũrakuhe kĩndũ gĩtagwo glossary kana gĩtagwo kĩ ibuku he tũndũ twandĩkagwo twa terminology thutha
kana kĩambĩrĩria-inĩ.
Rĩu waigua cukari rũgongo rĩ ũkaigua nĩ ũkĩahe tũtigĩra cukari ndũgathiĩ nduka.
Sukari means something.
They don't come with literal sugar. It is good people to buy themselves their own
sugar
so that they determine how much sugar
they need.
We mũnengiri we nĩwe ũkũmenya cukari ũrĩa
nĩoĩ mahũthagĩra cukari ũigana atĩa.
Tiũkĩra cukari gakũnia. Cukari wendaga gũka wĩ liquid.
O nĩ mekwĩbanga nĩ mo ũrĩa mebangaga.
Ũke wĩ baribari.
Thaa 10:53 ririkane kũingĩra harĩa